It's island boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. No, I haven't been on for a long time, though today is the day that we are going to do the gender reveal. So come along with us, come and see what's up, what I'm having. You know, it's going to be an exciting time. We're going to, show you a little bit of Australia, I guess, or where I live. So please come along and join us, and I'll be talking a little bit more about me and Babe and things that are happening and what's going to happen as well. So I'm really excited about this journey and everything that we have been through and things that we are yet to conquer as a couple. So yeah guys, come along and join me on this special day. Mwah. Bye.
It's island boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world. Oh, a girl like you, me not let go. Oh, you must come from up heaven. So easy, you make me think twice. Finally made up my mind. Instead of be lonely, I'd rather be with you tonight. Let's just vibe. Just lay back while I take my time. Just lay back while
So we're here, just going to do the reveal. So this is one of my favorite beaches that I usually come to when it's summer. The weather's not that great today. It's not that good, but anyhow, it is one of my favorite places to be at. So I'll just show you. It's very tropical, sort of, you know, just a beautiful look, I guess. So I have only 6 weeks to go in total. It'd be 5 weeks after this week. So it's going to be interesting and I can't wait. I'm so excited. So I wish today would have been a little bit more special. Wish that Babe was here, but as you all know, with the COVID, the borders aren't open here in Australia, and we don't know for how long you know it's going to be, but we're trying to fight it through so that Babe can be here on time. So we're almost here down at the beach.
It's Island Boy Africa again. Yes, Rasta, so what up my peeps? Alright guys, so I need y'all to do something for me right now, you understand? Alright, so basically I need y'all to guess what gender you think it is. You understand, a boy or a girl? And drop it in the comment section and let me know. You understand? I want to see how many of you will get it right. Yeah man, so let's get into the video. It's island boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world. Oh, a girl like you, me not let go.
Hey guys, so we have done the reveal and we're having a boy, yay! So I'm excited, I can't wait. Baby names, yes, we do have them picked already. Excuse me if I'm a little bit puffed out. Just walking along the beach is just whew, and obviously baby does take out your breath a lot throughout the last couple of weeks of pregnancy. So I'm happy it's a boy. Dad is gonna be over the moon because that's what he wanted, a boy.
Yes, Rasta. So as you guys see, it's a boy. Yeah man, and I have to say, yo, give God thanks, you see me? Yeah man, because from day one I told Maria that it would be a boy, you see me? And yeah, I give thanks for that. And if you look on the resemblance, you see me, I definitely might pick that, you see me? Just look on his mouth, look on his nose. You see me, and him do things like what me done do, yes, me with me hand for my cheek. You see me? So yeah man, definitely. Yeah, I tell the peeps right now, I'm super excited and I just can't wait for him to be here. You see me, by the end of this month, he'll be here. You see me, so journey along, you see me. Maria, I'm gonna share footage on her side and things, so yeah man, just subscribe to the channel and follow us, you see me. I'm on team, let's go now.
And I wanted a boy too, so we're very, very happy, I should say, and very blessed. That's what we got. Now I've got to walk up this bloody hill. I don't think I really want to walk up there. Okay, so I'm going to leave you here with it. Later on I'll do a little intro, a little talk about, sit down talk, and about things that are going on and everything. So good thing is, second attempt didn't fail. So it's a boy, guys. Guys, so we've just come now, stopped off to get something to eat at the fish and chip shop because fish and chip is the way to go. I heard this fish and chip shop is pretty good. Can't wait to bring Babe here. It's going to be great. Looks like they're closed. Oh, yous are open. Hi, good. How are you? That's good. What can we get? You want calamari and chips?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get that.
Calamari and chips, please.
So guys, while we're waiting for the food, I just come out here to the wharf area and just take some videos, a little snippet. We got fishing. Beautiful afternoon. It was a little bit windy earlier on down at the beach, but yeah, beautiful yachts. Whoa! Oh, they're massive. They're beautiful. Alright guys, I'm hungry now. There's our baby down there. But yeah, they could do some really nice seafood here and stuff, and we've got people that working in there. So it's actually really nice. Fisherman's entry. So there you have it. This is our lunch, guys. Yay, yum. Should have got a bigger fillet, but anyway.
Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't my mind. Yeah.
Do you want to do another one?
To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul.